What was the theme yesterday with VWAP? It's the first day I've seen in a good while that we didn't have any anchoring to VWAP. And so what have we seen all night? Same thing. I don't see any real anchoring here. So if that's a change in theme and the market pulls back to VWAP and everyone's been trading off VWAP, can you see the opportunity there for a trap? Now, if it's low acceptance, the pace of the market up in this region is likely to be faster. So I'm going to call this look for a failed anchor trade. We've just been talking about the anchoring of VWAP. Now, you can see some anchoring pre-professional players off CME VWAP. So I'll actually be looking for the long up to this area and then to see if we can continue and go through. So I'll just call it holes for want of a better description with value. So see how there's a hole here. See this big hole here? Well, what happened? It got filled. See it? But I also kind of see, I think there might be a bit of a hole here. Okay, well, what price is that? That's about 74.16. Where's VWAP? Okay, 74.12. We wanted to go through VWAP. See how you can start to put things in place? If the market moves really quickly, I'm not going to have time to go and look at this when I'm in a position. But I've done the necessary work prior. It means I'm prepared. You know, it's already know I'm going 74.20, 74.16. Like they're just numbers now that are in my head and I know what they mean. So with China coming on board, without much of a cushion, I just got flat. So here's where I got in and here's where I added. Now notice that I didn't really take much heat, all that work and nothing to show for it if you think it's all about P&L. I think now's a good time to say, okay, what am I trading? A hypothesis. So as you can see here, I went back in. I've committed to this hypothesis. I put all of those points of evidence together. I didn't see anything that stood out to say, hey, go short, like if you stack up the points of evidence. So I went back just around some failures because this hypothesis is still completely valid. So here's my trading. So I think the important thing is, remember, I stuck with it until proven otherwise, right? Flat for HKE, bought, added. Did I really take a lot of heat there? No, I didn't. That was in the book. And then what were we expecting? The push through, added, and there I am getting out there. Do you remember the number that I said about where to get out? 74.16. All right, so see how when you put a hypothesis together and you stick to it, this is how the money's made. So it was a long wait, wasn't it? But that was worth just persevering with. It was a plan that we put together before we even put a trade on. Really highlights how you need to have it all really, really worked out before you go in, because otherwise you'll get creamed. The high, by the way, was 16.5. Break time.